Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious cinnamon sugar butter baked sweet potatoes. These are the perfect side for Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. They're buttery, soft, and melt in your mouth delicious. And they're so easy to make. Let's get started. We're using 3 large sweet potatoes for this recipe. We're going to start by oiling the sweet potatoes. I'm using avocado oil, but you can also use olive oil. Next, we're going to season them with salt and black pepper. Then use your hands to smear the oil, salt, and black pepper on all sides of the sweet potatoes. Once that is done, use a knife or a fork to poke multiple holes into each sweet potato. This way they don't explode while they bake in the oven. We're going to slowly bake these potatoes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and 30 minutes. Slowly baking sweet potatoes makes them sweeter, fluffier, and softer. Halfway through the baking time, we're going to flip over the sweet potatoes, then put them back to continue baking. While the sweet potatoes are still baking, we're going to make a delicious sauce for them. Melt some butter in a pan over medium heat. As soon as the butter has melted, we're going to add some brown sugar and ground cinnamon. Mix everything together and let the mixture simmer for about 30 seconds or until the sugar has melted, then set it aside. When the sweet potatoes have finished slow baking, they're going to become extremely soft. Use a knife to make a slit through each sweet potato and then use your fingers to press them open, just like I'm doing. Next, use a fork to fluff out the sweet potatoes, just like that. Next, grab the butter sauce we made, then pour a spoonful into each fluffed out sweet potato. Then gently use a fork to mix the sauce in with the sweet potato. Make sure you scoop the sweet potato from the bottom and mix it in with the sauce very well. Next, we're going to get whatever sauce that is left in the pan and drizzle it all over the sweet potatoes. If you want to elevate this recipe, you can sprinkle some cut up pecans all over the sweet potatoes. Once you've drizzled all that cinnamon sugar butter sauce all over the sweet potatoes, they are ready to be enjoyed. These cinnamon sugar butter sweet potatoes came out so good. These are the perfect side for Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. The sweet potatoes are so soft and decadently melt in your mouth delicious. The cinnamon sugar butter sauce pairs so well with the sweet potato. This is such an amazing side. If you guys would like to try this recipe for the holidays, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.